Barter means give and take. People used to exchange things.
Mm-hmm.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, exchanging
Yeah.
things. That is how
Mm-hmm.
people used to do business earlier. But now what
Mm-hmm.
happened that this is what we can do with rice and wheat. What if someone is selling a goat and he needs to take wheat from me? Now, if I have to give him 10 kgs, now he cannot give me half portion of a goat. That goat will die. It's of no use for me. So I need whole goat, but
Mm-hmm.
he wants only 5 kg of the wheat. So that way, trading is not possible. So what happened? Money came into the picture. Later, money was formed, and people started trading with money. Right? So far,
Mm-hmm.
so okay. So this is how actually people started trading. So now the point is, once Asha was doing business with Chetan, she started doing business in, let's say, Kerala,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Yeah.
let's say UP,
Okay.
West Bengal, Punjab. Now you alone cannot do this whole work. Earlier you were able to work with me directly, but now you're carrying, covering whole states. So what you started doing, and you have to deal with all these people, all these states, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now what you'll do, you'll hire people to do your work, right? Isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That means jobs were formed, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And earlier, the rice that you were giving at, let's say, 40 rupees kg, you started selling at 50 or 55 rupees kg. Why? Because
Yeah.
earlier you were the only person who was taking the profit. Now more people are in this transaction, and
Mm-hmm.
you have to pay them. This is the salary what they'll get. So now the key points, what I'm trying to tell you is that we need to understand two things. Number one, shall I rub it? Is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Now what you need to
Mm-hmm.
understand that I'm trying to tell you two things. Number one, that there are minimum two people involved in a transaction, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two people involved in a transaction, and when more people comes in, the price goes high, and what happens? You have to hire people and you have to give jobs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So minimum is two, maximum is no limit. There can be thousands of people involved in between. More than thousands can be involved, and this is how things are working these days. Something that is
Okay.
worth 5,000, you pay. Let's say you're taking a mobile, maybe you can get it for 10,000. But since so many people are involved in the process, you get it for 30,000, 40,000, right? This is my point
Mm-hmm.
number one. Point number two is, first there are business, then there are, due to business there are jobs.
I'm sorry. What? What did you say last?
Okay. First, business comes. After
Mm-hmm.
business, jobs come.
Yeah.
Right. But people are more
Mm-hmm.
oriented toward jobs. They want more jobs.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you talk to anyone, he'll say, I don't want to do business, I want to do a job. This is the mindset of the
Yeah.
people. But the fact is,
True.
unless and until there are no business, there won't be any job. That is why
Mm-hmm.
USA is such a rich, I'll say, if we talk about USA, what do they do? They are actually more, they have more of businessmen, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see, what did they come up with? They come up with an idea. They sell an idea, and most of the people, especially Indians, they work for them.
Mm-hmm.
Companies like uh, Microsoft,
Google.
Google. Yeah, I think you were working with Google, right? Weren't you?
American Express.
American.
IBM
Yeah,
and
see, yeah, see. So they have outsourced their business to India, and we are taking their jobs. So when they make, let's say, 1 million,
Mm-hmm.
they give some portion of, let's say, $100,000
Mm-hmm.
to a company in India, and that company in India gives 10% of it as salary to its 10 employees, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
These 10
Yeah.
employees made 1 million for US company, and they are getting $1,000 as their salary. I mean, 1,000 is too much for, I mean, it's like 70, 80,000. And
Mm-hmm.
normally people make in BPO, they make like 50, 40,000 rupees a month. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
the point is clear. So, number one, we need to understand that minimum people in a transaction that are required are two people, and if they are business, then only there would be jobs. So this is the concept that we are working on. We have merged these concepts in our business. Why? I'll show you how. Why? See, today, if you're going to purchase anything, this is you, and you have to take, okay, this is you,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to take a mobile from uh, any mobile phone. Let's say, which mobile do you have, by the way?
Samsung A.
Samsung. Now,
Mm-hmm.
Samsung is a Korean company, okay,
Mm-hmm.
a company in Korea, South Korea, and what they
Mm-hmm.
did, they wanted to sell this mobile to you. So first, what they did some marketing, and by marketing, they realized that people in India follow movie stars and cricket stars, cricket celebrities. So what they did some survey. Survey was done. An office was opened here. Staff was hired, and after all the surveys, after spending crores here, they got to know that people in India they want this kind of mobile. All those features they came to know from this
Mm-hmm.
marketing. Okay. Second thing, what they did, they did some advertisement, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, by ad, they signed a celebrity, gave him like crores of rupees. Okay. They gave multiple, they gave to ad agency as well, if I talk ad agency. And what they did, they telecasted the whole thing on TV. If you see on TV, you know, you can see Samsung ads or all those things. And this spends again crores here, hundred hundreds of crores on just ads. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And last but not the least is distribution. They send to the product to national distributor like Reddington. There's a national distributor like Reddington, Beetle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these companies they import these products, then give it to regional distributor, then regional distributor give it to wholesaler, and then wholesaler give it to retailer, and then retailer give it to you, Asha, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is how
Yeah.
things work. But my point is, why exactly you bought this Samsung?
Why exactly you bought this?
Particular phone, Samsung phone.
Mm-hmm.
That is my question to
Um,
you.
mm, um, I just like the features. I mean, something
Okay,
simple or something. I just like the basic. Yeah, the look maybe of
cool,
the phone. So
cool.
yeah, bigger.
S-
It's a little broader screen, so as compared to iPhone, so I thought
mhm.
better.
Okay,
So yeah.
cool. Now the question I have is, where exactly you check these features, and
I'm sorry, where
what
exactly?
exactly you checked these features that you
At
must have done
store.
some R&D and you must have checked something.
Oh
So where
yeah,
exactly are you
online.
exactly online?
Online.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So what Asha did, Asha checked online and she found some reviews.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
due to these reviews, you were able to make a decision,
Yeah.
right? But the person
Mhm.
who gave a review or who wrote a review, how much he got? Zero.
Mhm.
But companies spent hundreds of crores here. Okay.
Mhm.
So neither this helped you, nor he helped you, neither this helped you. You could have taken the mobile straight away from the company. Means
Mhm.
minimum two people. You could have gone to the company directly, but and you could have taken it directly from here. But this is not possible. Someone has to tell you about the mobile phone, right?
Mhm.
Unless and until you won't be able to make out about the phone. So there has to be some way to make you aware about the phone. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
keeping this concept in mind and this thing as well, experts of the industry, there are experts in every industry, you know. So if I talk about experts of marketing strategy, they said that, you know, we are spending $0 here, no money at all, and we
Mhm.
are spending billions here, but this is giving us only 20% of our market,
Mhm.
okay? And they are giving 80% of our market.
Oh.
It's a yeah. So just think, there are two movies, both of them are doing ads, right? But one
Mhm.
movie is a hit, other one is a flop. Even though they both did ad, they both went for ads. Why?
Mhm.
Because people reviews mattered. One became hit after people said it's a wonderful movie, and
Mhm.
even after ad, people said this is a stupid movie. I mean, there's no use of watching this movie, and it became a flop, right? Even after so much of ads, right? So
Mhm.
reviews matters a lot. You know,
Mhm.
reviews matters a lot. So what few experts said that instead of spending here, let's spend for these people.
I'm
Means
sorry. It's spending. Okay. The money and
to
everything. Mhm.
yeah, I mean we instead of giving commission to these people, see
Mhm.
first of all, company won't be able to make out that how much mobile was sold due to ads. There is no way of uh, tracking it.
Mhm.
There's no way of tracking it. Whether you are watching any actor or not, whether you've seen the ad or not, they just believe that this thing helps. But this thing helps only for 20% of the people. Remaining
Mhm.
80%, no one is talking about them. So now what people said, let's focus on these people because if they are giving us 80% of the market for free, what if we start paying them? If we start
Mhm.
paying them, they can make us give 100% of the market and that too at a very faster rate. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
So, keeping these points in mind and this point in mind, network market started. How?
Okay.
A company, let's say a company in Oakland, they said, let's focus on that point, that minimum two people.
Mhm.
So, they had some friend of theirs and they told him that we are making a product, you can take it from us. And this person directly took this product from the company. Well and good. Now,
Mhm.
this company has to promote its business. So what they said that if you tell about a business to someone else, maybe he can work
Mhm.
as a business partner or a consumer or whoever, we'll give you commission for that. Now, if
Mhm.
this person, let's say this person lives in Govindpuri,
Mhm.
he tells someone in Chhatarpur
Mhm.
that there's a company and this is the way we can work and we can make money. So he said, okay, fine, I can also take product. He went and took products from them, okay, and
Mhm.
he got the product and he got some commission for that. Now company did no marketing, they did no advertisement, no distribution channel. They broke it. They directly gave the product to the this person and this person. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
Now when this person, third person, He lives in, let's say, he was in Chhatarpur. He lives in Mehrauli, like you.
Mhm.
And this person told him about the company. You said, okay, fine, I'll take the, if there's a business, I can do it. You also took it. He got a commission, and he also got commission,
Oh,
right? And this is the way. See, now these people are working rapidly. This they are working at this rate. If give a
mhm.
bad example, then it's like COVID.
Oh,
One person
mhm.
telling to so many people, and this is the way. You within few months, let's say like
Mhm.
almost 4 5 months back, COVID was within the country, and in India there were very few people. Now there are more than lakh,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
Why? Because one person is spreading to multiple people, and those multiple people are spreading to multiple other people. Same way,
True.
if this person is, if company told to 5 people, these 5 people further told about this concept to 25 people, and then 125, and then 625, and so on and so forth. And one day you can cover whole India very easily. Plus,
Mhm.
best part is company can very easily track out that whether this person is helping them in, they can track out the business. They can see what kind of business these people have done for them, and this way business will grow very rapidly, and they can make good profit. So, what company focused on? Minimum 2 people in the transaction, right?
Mhm.
What I told you, and every person is
Mhm.
acting like a businessman,
Mhm.
right? And third point, now earlier they were not getting paid for the reviews. Now they are getting paid for the reviews,
Mhm.
right? So
Mhm.
let's talk like a normal person. Whatever I've told you so far, is it a good concept or a bad concept?
Ah, yeah, overall, if you look at it, yeah, it is a good concept.
It's a good concept, right?
Mhm.
So this is the concept we have to understand first. That what is this concept all about? Yeah,
Mhm. Mhm.
people have no idea about the concept. They think that this concept, we are here to sell the products. No, you were just telling. Did I sell you some product? I told you about the
No.
concept. Same way, if we'll talk to other people, this business can increase very rapidly, right?
Mhm.
So whatever, so now you understand what is multi-level marketing or network marketing.
Yes.
So
Mhm.
if I'll ask you, can you explain me what is network marketing or multi-level marketing? How can you define it to me?
Network marketing basically is something which initially start with like minimum 2 people and
Mm-hmm,
maximum can just go on and on, you can just grow.
mm-hmm,
And basically, there's nothing like really sell anything as such. It's as if you go and shop somewhere and you like it, then you kind of just talk about it with someone else. You
mm-hmm.
tell the other person about it. So
That is
it's
the
easy.
way we are doing. That is not the business. That is something what we can do. So in easiest language, what I can say, MLM
Mhm.
or network marketing is the shortest
Mhm.
and cheapest,
Mhm.
shortest and cheapest way of sending product from the manufacturer, from the producer to the consumer. That is the simple and the most easiest way you can explain it to anyone, right?
Shortest and cheapest way of from the
Sending
manufacturer to sender.
to the consumer.
Uh,
Simple,
okay.
right? Now my point
Mhm.
is, do you have any issues with Hindi? I mean, I don't know. Maybe you were living in Italy for so very long. So I think you have no problem in Hindi.
No.
No problem, right?
Mm,
So
as no.
yeah, you speak
No,
in
no.
Hindi, right?
I'm
आप
sorry,
हिंदी
what
में
is
बात
this? Speak in
करते हो,
Hindi,
आप हिंदी
right? Yeah,
करते हो,
yeah.
है ना?
Mm-hmm.
ठीक
Yeah.
है. So I'll send you one link. Okay, I'm going to send you one link of YouTube. I added few videos on why
Mm-hmm.
shall we do network marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Why shall we do network marketing? I think you should watch that video because that is a session which I was covering with one of my colleague, one of my business
Oh.
partner. So he had multiple queries as well. So his queries were very, very good.
Mm-hmm.
So if you'll see it, that would be great. It's a almost 1 hour video. So will you
Okay.
be able to see it today?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to send you that link for the today. I mean for today's because that is training number 2. So
Okay.
you can cover it today. I mean then tomorrow we'll cover the third part. So ideally we have three kind of 7 kind of session. First of all, we'll understand what is network marketing,
Mm-hmm.
what is MLM, and why shall we do MLM. So so far I've covered what is MLM with you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now you'll see the video of why, which I'm going to send. Second is mindset of a business. It's a very important thing. So, because if you are a businessman, your way of thinking and the way of thinking of an employee, they both are very different, very, very different.
Mm-hmm.
And suppose you have to make a decision, you have to think like a particular person. You
Mm-hmm.
know, if what if this business was this particular businessman was at my condition, how exactly he would have faced this situation. So that is why mindset is a very crucial part of any entrepreneurship or any business that you get into. You need to think like a businessman. So that's why we'll cover mindset tomorrow. That I'll cover tomorrow. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
here, third part is we'll discuss. Uh, this is what I'll recommend you to do particularly because I'll send you the link, product details. Because
Sorry, what is
today
it?
you are product
Okay.
details.
Gotcha.
This is for your personal,
Okay.
personal learning. Because if you're into some business and you don't even know what kind of product you have, and you
Mm-hmm.
have to self-consume it, this is for self-knowledge. Like before consuming
Okay.
something, you need to know about it, right? So it's a good thing. It's because products are very, very good, very effective. And then fourth is business plan. Business plan means a first idea would be how to make 1 lakh a month.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll discuss this part. Okay. Fifth is blueprint. Blueprint means our steps of reaching our goal. Sixth is very important part. See this industry. I've already made a video for this, so you can see these videos as well.
Okay.
Sixth is what is money. Money is very important part of. Most of the people don't know about money, so I've covered this part. And difference between banking, insurance,
Mm-hmm.
and MLM. So these are the 7 trainings. Once we are done with it, then we'll move further and we'll do it. How to do this network marketing part. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So today I've covered this part with you. You will see the video on this. And in case if you have any query or you come across any question, you can just drop me a message or tomorrow at 3:30 we can discuss it once again. But by the time you
Oh,
can drop me, the message on WhatsApp. So I'll be able to see what exactly you have
oh,
doubts on. Yeah. Then
sure.
mindset we'll cover tomorrow. This for this I'll give you the link. You can see it yourself. Day after tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
this, and again these are on the videos. So
Oh,
maybe within 3 days we'll cover the whole training. Yeah, and
okay.
from by the 1st August we can start doing business. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
All right. So I'll keep it for here today, and let's meet up.
Mm. Oh,
I'm just gonna send you the link on WhatsApp.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure. Perhaps you right away. Yeah. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
No problem. No
Thank
problem.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.